Guys, I have one goal and one goal only. To get the new skin in Forsaken. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the new update because they replaced Mr. Doombringer with a vampire werewolf person, but my only goal is to just get all of the killers and all of the skins. Oh god. Bro. And yes, I'm playing as Guest 1337. And also I almost have all the skins. I'm gonna die, but it's worth it because I kinda want to show you all my skins. No. Anyways, let me show you my inventory. So, yes, I did get Noli, and I only have 2 skins, Toolbox and Sinister. Cool kid, Yes, I got, yes, one of my friends actually helped me to get the white pumpkin. I'm not really gonna, and these are all my skins. I got like almost all of the skins. The only skins that I have to get is Veronica. And one thing, she only costs for 750. I have like 177. But hey, I have to waste my money for a most expensive character. Dude, I had to save up all of my money just for me to get Jesse from Minecraft Story Mode as a Guest 1337 skin. And guess what? They didn't add him. They promised that they were gonna add him in the next update, but sorry guys, I just have a very bad nose. Instead, it gives us Z stuff. Bro, give us better stuff. Oh. Turkey Day. Turkey Day. I just realized, Forsaken, you kind of messed up on on Shedletsky backwards. You see, in for this Shedletsky's name backwards would have had a blue shirt and white pants, because this Shedletsky backwards is actually a reference of the Family Guy character Retemp. And basically there is another thing wrong with it. You see, they got the green shirt correct, but the thing is they of course Pleat starts playing, and and but didn't get the pants correct. Anyways, let's just watch the fight. Forsaken, fix your game. Where's the music? Where's the Where is that? Forsaken, fix your game. Now you see, in this video I'm gonna be playing all my skins. You see, the first video I played as Chudletsky, Milestone 1. And second video I played as Chance, but this video I'm going to be playing as all of my survivors. I'm going to be 0077. Ah, right on time. Well, I guess another pleat is going to... I forgot I have this skin. Well, time to look for cigars. Oh, heck! Oh, no! Get the other 0077. This is stressful. Oh no. Use cool GUI. I just realized, Yep. I'm kind of concerned if this cool kid is kind of bad at playing the game, because look at where the survivors are. There's like nobody dead. Yeah, like nobody died. Oh hey, level 11. It's kind of sad. I feel bad. But hey, at least I can probably get... Wait, actually, hold on. I mean classic. Hello, piano player. This is the new killer. Bro! Oh great, it's this guy. That's the killer that I'm trying to get. Dude, that killer replaced Mr. Doombringer. Why? I just realized. I think I'm gonna move location. Bye. This is so difficult. Dude, this is already the second round and we're already 11 minutes in. Oh no, this isn't the second round. This is like the third round. And I haven't changed my skin yet. Oh. Oh wait, what the? Didn't know the skin was kind of like John Doe. Guess 1% died. This is what happens when you mess with vampires. I mean, I'm kind of vampire too. See, vampires can turn invisible, and what can 007 do? Turn in. Wait, what? He sees me! He sees me! He sees me! Teleport! Oh my! No! I wasn't on time. No! I have a son. I have a son that is a terrorist. I see your little tricks. I have a son who is an exploiter, hacker. I love him so much. I don't want to die. I need to pay for child support. What am I doing, man? Screw my life. I forgot. Don't use Koji. I was about to say, bro, how do you miss your attack? Bro, please, I need to pay for child support. Oh, yes, you gotta watch. Never mind. Never mind, I guess I died. Wait, that is kind of similar to, like, John Doe's outro, because John Doe kills himself, and for the new killer, he kills himself. And they replaced Mr. Doombringer with... Can I find... Bro. Alright guys, I'm back, and let's see, what can I buy? I can buy... no. Slasher, I can't buy this cool kid skin. What do I want to buy? This. Thank you so much.